Now, let's look at number 2. We have 24 multiplied by 4 in modulo 7. So the first thing, let's multiply. This one going to be 24. That is 24. And let's use 4 to multiply. 4 times 4 we have 16. Keep 1. 4 times 2 we have 8. Plus 1 we have 96. So it's going to be, you can see our 24 times 4 modulo 7 with the same thing as 96 modulo 7. Then the next thing is let's look for how many 7 can we find in 96, just something like this. 7 in 9 we have 1, remaining that 2. Bring that 2 here, 26. How many 7 can you find in 26? We are going to get 3. It's 21. So we can say that 96 is 7 times 3, 13. So that's 21, remaining that 5 plus 5 in modulo 7. So, as usual, we don't normally what? Let's look at our final answer is going to be what? 5 modulo 7. So that is the answer. Okay, the last one. The last one is 8 plus 25 modulo 3. Modulo 3. So what we are going to do is simply add 8 plus 25 will give us 33. So you are going to have 33 modulo 3. And with that, let us now divide 33 by, since we are operating with modulo 3, divide by 3. That is 33 divided by 3. 3 in 3 we have 1. 3 in 3 we have 1, remaining that 0. So it's going to be 3 times 11, remaining that is plus 0. So in what? In modulo 3. So our final answer is this remainder 0 modulo 3. So that is how to simplify the expression in modulo that we are given. Generally, let me just give us an exercise. You can see question in this form. You can be asked to fill the following, at least in a tabular form, and you can just be asked to fill the table. And see a question like this. I'm giving you a question like this. Okay? Complete the multiplication table below. Complete the multiplication of modulo 6 below. Can see a question in this form. So you have 2, 3, 4, 5. And also here is 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3. So here we have 2, 3, 4, 5. So you are told that what? Complete the multiplication table below. Here I have 3 0. And under here I have 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. So you are given, you can see a question like this, that you will be asked to complete the table. So what you just need to do is, I mean, you have to fill the following, that empty space. So you have to fill it. So what you just need to do is, since you have been given the modulo in which we are operating with, that's modulo 6. So how do you do that? Just what? 2 times 2, it will give you 4. Since it's not up to the modulo, so we are going to write it, put 4 here. The same thing here, 2 times 3, that is 6. Since 6 divide by what? Since you are operating with 6, divide by 6. You have 1 remainder 0, so you are going to write remainder 0. You come to this place 2. 2 times 4, that is 8. Divide it by what? 6. You have 1 remainder 2. You are going to write remainder. Put 2 here. Likewise, 2 times 5 here, you have 10. Divide it by what? By 6. You have 1 remainder 4. So I'm going to put down 4 down like this. Then come to the next one here. 3 times 2, 6. Divide it by 6. 1 remainder 0. So we are going to have 0 here. This one, they've done it, but if you want to verify if it's correct or not, you can verify. 3 times 3, you have 9. 9 divided by 6, you have 1 remainder 3. That's why they put 3 here. Likewise here, 3 times 4, you have 12. 12 divided by 6, you have 2 remainder 0. That's why they put 0 here. They've done that one, so you can combine. Okay, the next one here, 3 times 5, we have 15. 15 divided by what? Divided by 6, you have 2 remainder 3. So you have 2 remainder 3. So you are going to put 3 here. Okay, 4 times 2, 8. Divide by 6, that is 1 remainder 2. You are going to have 2 here. 4 times 3, we have 12. Divide by what? 6. That is 2 remainder 0. 4 times 4, 16. 16 divided by 6. You are going to get 2 remainder 4. So you are going to get 4 here. 4 times 5, 20. 20 divided by 6. You are going to get 3 remainder 2. Put 2 here. And the last one that remains here is what? 5 times 4, 10. 10 divided by 6. 1 remainder 4. The rest, you've done it. But if you want to confirm whether they are correct or not, say, okay, come to tell this one. 5 times 5, 25. 25 divided by 6. You're going to get 4, remainder 1. Now you have 1. This one too. 5 times 4, 20. 20 divided by 6, you have 3, remainder 2. Why 5 times 3, 15. 15 divided by 6, that is what? 2, remainder 3. So that is what table. If you are asked to complete the table, do the what? I'm going to do it 1 by 1. Multiply, use the word modulo to divide, and then always don't forget to write your remainder. That is how to what? To solve the question if you are asked to complete the first one here is a calculate the following. Calculate the following. (42 minus 28). A. 42 minus 28. And modulo 8. B. 12 multiplied by 9, and modulo 4. 12 multiplied by 9 in modulo 4. So multiply by 9 in modulo 4. And then lastly, you can have simplify. Simplify minus A minus 56 and minus 56 in modulo 13. Minus 15 in modulo 13. B minus 75 in modulo 7. Minus 75 in modulo 7. And this is where we're going to end our class for today. I'm expecting you to lay your hand on the following exercise and provide the solution to them, and we'll look at them in our next